very good afternoon to all my dear children. So, in the mathematics subject, so far how many lessons we have completed? Have we completed the fourth lesson? No, we are in the fourth lesson, that is multiples and factors. In the previous Zoom class, I have started taking test of divisibility, the rules. Do you remember? So, how many numbers we have saw? 2 we saw, 5, 10, 3, 9, 4 and 6. Totally we have learnt rules for 7 numbers. And today we are going to learn for the number 8, 11 and 25. Okay. Now everyone take out your mathematics book and turn to the page 51, 51. Dear children, in page number 51, here they have given topic divisibility by 8, 11 and 25. See, here they have given if the number formed by the digits at hundreds, tens and ones place is divisible by 8. See, you have to check the given numbers last 3 digits whether it will get divisible by 8 or not. For example, here they have given 34,528. 34,528. Okay, 34,528. See, last 3 digits, that is hundreds place, tens place and ones place, we have to check. We have to divide it by 8. So when you take number 5 alone, when you compare with 8 and 5, it is very small. So you can take 2 digits, that is 52. So will this number 52 get divisible in a table? We have to check. See, 8 sevens are you are getting 56. So shall we stop 8 6 are 48? So 8 6 are 48. Minus it. See, from 2 you cannot subtract 8. So you have to borrow. This will become 4. This will become 12. 12 minus 8 is of course 4. Bring down this 8. 48. So 8 6 are 48. When you subtract, you will get the remainder as 0. So if you got the remainder as 0, what did I said? It is completely getting divisible. So this number, that is 34,528, is divisible by 8. That's what they have given tick. Okay, 45,606 is not divisible by 8. See the last 3 digit number. It's the same process like this, you should do it. Okay children. So next 25. For 25, tens and ones place is divisible by 25. We have to do the same process how we have done for 8. Same division we are going to do for the 25. Here they have given 4,150. Okay. So for 25, for the number 25, you have to check ones and tens place alone. For 8, for the number 8, ones, tens, 100. 3 digits. Okay. So what number they have given? 4,150 for 25. So one number means very small. Shall we take 2 numbers? 41. Okay. 25 ones are 25. 25 twos are 50. 50. So here only 41. Shall we stop 25 into ones are? 25 ones are 25. Okay, subtract. So from 1 you cannot subtract 5. This will become 3. This will become 11. Okay, 11 minus 5 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, now 16 is very small number when you compared with 25. Bring down this 5. Shall we just check whether we'll get this 165 in 25 tables? Okay, 25 into 6 are 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15. Okay, we'll move on to 25 into 9s are 9 5s are 45, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 4 19 20 21 22. Oh, it is going to 25. So 25 into 7. Okay, 5 7s are 35, 7 2s are 14, 15 16 17. No, 175. So again we'll do with 25 into 6. 6 we have done now. 7 8 shall we? 8 5s are 40, 8 2s are 16, 17 18 19 20. 200 is going. So where should we stop? Shall we stop 25 into 6 are 25 into 6 are 150, into 6 are 150. Subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. And this balance 0 150. So again 25 6 are 150. When you subtract, you will get 0 as a divisor. That is, it is getting completely divisible by the number 25. So that's why they have given like this sticker. So when you see this 5 and 8, 85, it is not divisible by 25. The same process, division process, you should do, children. Okay, now next 11. 11 they have given. Okay, for 11, 0 or a multiple of 11. See, for 11, how will you find? The number you should get, the answer you should get 0, or else the multiples of 11. For example, 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33, 11 4s are 44. All these are the multiples of 11. Either the multiples of 11 or 0. If it comes like that, so it is also completely getting divisible by the number 11. Shall we do? See, here they have given 56,255. So what is the rules they have given? If the difference between the sum of the alternate digit, see, sum of the alternate digits, sum means we know that we have to add. Alternate, what numbers, what digits we have to? Alternate digits. Alternate means one after another. We have to leave one number in between. For example, here they have given 56,251. So we have to do the addition. See, first we'll take this number 5. Now alternate number. Leave this number, take this number 2, plus leave this number, take this number 1. Just add it. 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. Next balance number 6 plus 5, that is 11. Now we have to subtract. So if normally how we will subtract? We will subtract the small number from the big number. So here this is the bigger number, smaller number. So what is the answer? 11 minus 8 is of course 3. Will you get this number 3 in 11 tables? No. So this number is not divisible by 11. So what are the numbers they have given? Either it should be 0 or the multiples of 11. So this is not. Okay, next we'll take 8,998. 8,998. Shall we add the alternate numbers? That is 8 plus 9. Okay, 8 plus 9 is 17. Now again 9 plus 8, again 17. So 17 minus 17 is equals to 0. So in that rules they have given it should be 0 or the multiples of 0. So you got here 0. So this is correct. This number it will get, that is 8998. It will get divisible by the number 11. You all understood, children? Yes. So one more here they have given 18,392. 18,392. Alternate number. Take 1 plus 3 plus 2. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. Now subtract. 17 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. This one 11. So 11 ones are 11. So 18,392 is divisible by the number 11. Now did you all understood, children? Please go through it and do this workout sums in your rough note. Thank you, children.